We're going to be unboxing the Numoa vlog screen, and what this product does is it helps you record with your back camera, your high quality camera, and it mirrors your screen so that you could see what you're recording. So it comes with a USB-C to a USB-A cable, right? And it also comes with a remote control, probably Bluetooth. And then we have the screen itself. It's a nice compact size. And it also comes with a velvet storage bag to keep the screen from scratching. It does come with a tripod mount that can hold the vlog device and your phone, and it stretches out to accommodate the size of your phone. What it does not come with a block, so you'd have to provide your own block for charging.